Alright, got her all lubed up. Got some 3-bond on there, new base gasket. Put a thin one in. Good idea, of course, is a ring compressor, but I've always had pretty good luck without one. Makes it easier though if you're not used to it. Put that together. Want to make sure you don't catch your base gasket on the way down, and you get your manifold seated on the inside of the case. Run some bolts in. Get them started. Like so. Basically go through and reassemble the whole deal again. Down into place. Just like that. Now I've already rechecked the squish and I'm right at 22 thousandths, and I'm just going to leave it there. I'm not going to mess with it any more than that. Tighten down. I did a little bit of grinding in this one. See how she turns out. Cleaned everything else out, the decomp valve, put a little bit of valve graining and compound in there, worked it over a little bit, make sure that seals up alright, run her over a couple times, make sure nothing snags. Got her manifold over here. So, just like that. Put that one back in. This one can be fun. There we go. Press that back in. Set it up. You also have like a little blue expansion ring in there. You want to make sure that's seated properly. I've had that leak before. Taken these apart several times. Throttle linkage back in underneath that wire. Clip that like so. Back. Fuel line. There we go. Alright. Make sure you get your gasket line back up. There's that. Gasket. That can be a bugger if it comes undone. There we go. Run back through. force. There we go. That up and out of the way. Alright. So up there. It mounts back in. This is going to be one of the stubborn ones. There we go. When I'm started. There's that one. Nice and snug, like so. Back in, and where'd that go? Hook. That linkage back up again. There we go. See it in there. Fuel line. There she is. Back together.